Right, now here we're looking at another variation of diagram sums. I'm Mr. Simons. Welcome. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Right, but now we're going to give you two equations. Right, so problem given, if cos alpha equal -4/5, with alpha being an element of 90 to 180, so 90 and 180 is included, and sine beta equal 5/13 with beta being an element from 90 to 270. Calculate with the aid of a diagram the value of sine alpha plus tan beta. So assume you can see between the two I have a alpha and a beta, so I have two different angles, right? So we have two trig ratios, we need to draw two trig diagrams. So cos alpha, remember, is x over r. So there I have x is 4 and r is 5 with a negative in front. Right? Cos is negative from 90 to 180 in the second, or they specifically specify that's 90 there, there's 180. So they're telling me I'm going to draw in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, x is negative, and remember r will always be positive. For sine beta, 90 to 270, so from 90, 180 all the way to 270. So we're working in second and third quadrant there. So in which of those two quadrants is sine positive? Second quadrant, right? There, remember, sine is y over r, so my y value is positive 5. R is 13, but looking at where x is, we use theorem of Pythagoras, my x must be negative here, and that y will be positive. So let's go and see how we done the theorem of Pythagoras. So for the first drawing, y squared equal r squared minus x squared, where r is 5 squared minus 4 squared, 25 minus the 16, gives me 9. So y would then equal plus minus 3. But in the second quadrant, remember, y is positive, so y equal to 3 and not negative 3. For the second one, drawing was also in the second quadrant. We're solving for x, r squared minus y squared. R was 13 there, y was 5. We solve x squared. I assume now I got here 169 minus that, get that. Again, plus minus 12. But in the second quadrant, x is negative, so x equal negative 12, but x not equal to 12. Right, and if we solve the problem now, I have sine alpha plus tan beta. The side is alpha, that side is beta. So for alpha, sine is y over r, my y is 3 and my r is 5. So that gives me 3 over 5. For tan beta, beta comes from that side, y over x. So my y there was 5 and my x negative 12. Right, again to solve, let's say negative 12 times 3, which gives me negative 36. Negative 12 times 5, which gives me negative 60. 5 times 5, which gives me 25. And 5 times negative 12, which gives me negative 60. Denominators are the same, so I can add the numerators. So minus 36 plus 25 would then give me negative 9 over negative 60. 3 goes in 9 3 times, 3 goes in 60 20 times. So it simplifies to 3 over 20. Right, so yeah, we're hoping to catch you out and we give you 2 where you choose from the wrong drawing when you substitute in. I hope it makes sense to you. I hope it helps you a lot. Wish you nothing but the best. Please like, share, and